Manu, I need your help. There's nobody time's here. And don't forget to water a lot. Sorry, guys, boys and girls. Shut up. You tried this one, Manu. Shut up this morning. This is how we stupid. I don't know when you're morning. Oh no. Sorry, okay? I'm going to figure it. You're hungry. You're hungry? Okay. We're hungry. We're going to get the hungry food. And we're going to make a yummy tasty. Okay. I'm going to roast a nap on his knife. Tick, 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 tick. What are you doing, Arfie? Nick, what are you doing? I don't know how I fix it. Okay. Whoa. What are you doing at your home? I don't know. Daisy, he does this right now. I forgot the word worst. I don't know. Thing. It's been a long time. No. I hate this when you're poop and stupid. Wonderful. I tried. This one of me curses right now for down. I hate this stupid worst time. That's how I go. This is stupid right now. No, I think that's loud and noisy. I'm going home. Bye. See you later. And I'll go home right now for calling mother. You try. Go home right now. I said no. Go playing or being young. That's it. You have to try another game right now.